Welcome back to another episode of You Ask, We Answer with Epcon Communities and Clarity Construction. I get asked all the time, what are the benefits of living in a homeowners association? Well, there are a lot. Let's talk about it. When people hear HOA, they sometimes think about rules, but one of the biggest benefits is actually the freedom it gives you. At each community, the homeowners association takes care of mowing, fertilizing, irrigation, snow removal from driveway streets and sidewalks, as well as common area upkeep and, of course, a clubhouse facility. This means you have more time for, you fill in the blank. Spending time with family, hobbies, whatever it is, you now have the freedom to do as you wish. There's a financial benefit to it as well. Instead of every homeowner paying separately for landscaping or snow removal, those services are shared through the HOA. It helps keep the community looking beautiful, which supports the long-term appeal of the neighborhood. Another question we hear is, what if I don't agree with the HOA? Our homeowners always have a voice. HOA boards are made up of homeowners who work together to make decisions that benefit the entire community. It's designed to be a partnership, not someone telling you how to live. So when you think about a homeowners association, think more about freedom, more time to do what you want to do, more time with family, and having the peace of mind knowing that your neighborhood is being cared for. That's why so many of our homeowners tell us they love the low maintenance lifestyle and they wish they had made the move sooner. So if this sounds interesting and you're interested in hearing more about the low maintenance staycation lifestyle that Epcon provides, give us a call today. We cannot wait to show you around and help you find life improvement.